Thank you very much. It's a big honor for me as Vice Mayor of Stockholm to welcome you to Stockholm. Stockholm is going through a very rapid change from a city that has been in a way of the provinces of Europe, taking a much bigger place in the world and in Europe, in our own opinion. And we are working very hard to modernize and change and to be in the forefront of development. And of course, then it is in this age of creativity, and for me, culture and creativity is going hand in hand. It's of course absolutely necessary to tear down the barriers between different disciplines. I know that we are in a time where we have to learn from each other, should learn from each other, and will learn from each other. And therefore, this event is so very valuable for the city. Of course, that it's not a coincidence that it is the cultural administration that is sponsoring this event, because it is, as you understand, not the vice mayor of education, not the vice mayor of environment, or any other vice mayor that is standing here. And that is not a coincidence. It is depending on that we understand that the solution is not to be found where you go into different disciplines. You have to have a much broader look, and therefore it is very necessary and a task for us from the cultural sector to support this event. I had the enormous pleasure to take part in the conference last year in the Alfred Nobel nitroglycerin fabric, and I was very intrigued of what is going on in this sector, and surprised because I had no idea about it. And I really hope and believe that you will take a step further today, and I hope you will be very successful. And I'm so glad that you found a basis last year to start to create this network and take one step further. And I hope that today will bring you even one step ahead on the walk to a future that is where we can learn much more from each other, not depending on from where we are starting from the beginning. Thank you very much for coming to Stockholm. I wish you a very successful day. Thank you.
Thank you, Madeleine. And now we would like to welcome Tonya Axon Johnson,